what's going on? Welcome back to another brand new video of Barefox, and today I'm gonna be making a video once again, updated method on the Nvidia GeForce Now. And as a lot of users have been requesting in my comment section, they've been spamming that please make another settings guide. We wanna know, we wanna fix blurry screen, we wanna fix input delay and stuffs like that. So guys, again I've got you a complete guide which I'm gonna be showing guys 100% of these settings that you can use to fully optimize your GeForce Now and get 100% out of it. Now guys, just follow this video till the end and I hope I will help you. Make sure to do leave a like, hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell on, because I do this tech and gaming stuffs regularly. So yep, without wasting any more further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let me talk about the in-app settings that you can get by applying the gear option. And then once you are here, what you have to do is you will see this whole page, then you will see the server location. So let me start off with the beginning. So the server location, you have to keep it on auto. Now why I say this, because if you keep this normally on the selected one, if the server is down for some reason or if there are any lag issues, well, you're gonna be suffering a lot. So I suggest you guys to put it on auto so it can automatically switch server and take you to the free server, or you can say the lag free server accordingly. Also, you can do a test network and you should know your internet speed. So let me just test my internet. So what you have to do is just hit go and wait for the internet speed. So as you guys can see, it's almost about more than 100 Mbps. You guys, if you are a previous watcher of my channel, you might know what is that, but if you guys can see, I'm getting a constant 125 126 upload and download speed with a 3 ping. So I hope there won't be any problem if I use it, but again, there are no Southeast Asia servers over here. There are US and Europe servers, so my game definitely gonna lag. But if you guys play it in Europe, in US, well, there's a good chance that you will be getting more than more than a lag free game. So yeah. Then coming down to the stream quality, over here you don't need balance, you don't need data saver, you don't need competitive. You have to go to custom, scroll all the way down, and for the max bitrate you have to go for custom, and accordingly you have to do yours. So now if you guys know, my internet speed is above 100 Mbps, so I use 50, but if you have like 20 Mbps, I suggest you guys to keep it on 15. You know, that's. And for the resolution, for the best performance, I highly suggest you guys go for 720p, and for frame rate, I highly suggest you guys go for 60 or 30, cap it on 60 or 30. And then adjust for poor network connections, you have to turn this thing off, because this is the thing which gives you the blurry screen, and VSync you have to turn this thing off. Also Discord rich presence, you gotta turn this thing off. Now we are done with the in-app settings. Now what you have to do is just go and type in GeForce Now, and then over here you'll see the option. You have to go and open the file location, and over there you have to right click and go to file location. Now once you're here in the main folder of GeForce Now, you'll find streamer, a text file known as streamer. Okay, so let me just search for it. There we go, there is the GeForce Now streamer.json. You have to right click on that, go to properties, and make sure that it's not read only, then just hit OK and double click, open it. Now you have to find some things over here. So first of all, you have this Nvidia SDL VSync, you have to turn this to false. Then the streamer, you have to turn this to true. The GeForce accelerator, keep it on DX11. IOD HD HID configurable, you have to turn this thing to true, because this reduces the input lag, and HDPI, you have to turn this to true. Alright guys, once you're done with that settings, you just have to hit Ctrl S and then close this thing, and then right click on this JSON file, go to properties and make it read only, hit apply and hit OK. Alright, for some reason if you don't see this JSON file, what you have to do is just go to view and then select hidden items, and then you might see it. Okay, for some reason if they are hidden. Okay, once done with that, you have to restart your GeForce Now. So let me just close everything and then restart GeForce Now back again. And there you go guys, that's gonna fix every problem of GeForce Now you're facing on your computer. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to do leave a like, hit the subscribe button, make sure to turn on the notification bell. If you have any problem guys, just go and comment in the comment section without any hesitation. I will reply. I'll try to reply all of you, because in the recent days I've been getting a lot of comments, so I don't get enough time to reply them all. But since if there might be any trouble, I will try my best to reply you guys and help you out. We'll meet you in another video. Till then, stay tuned, keep watching Barefox, and peace.